Hello everyone, Catfish44 here, and today, for my 13 subscriber special, I am going to be reviewing water from my dad's refrigerator. Now, it's really, more like, 6 subscribers, because I just had my friends subscribe to me on different devices, and I subscribed to myself on different devices because I'm too lazy to actually gain real subscribers, but for this maybe 6 or 7 people that are legitimately subscribed to me, this is a special treat for you. Now this water comes fresh from my dad's refrigerator. Here, feel this. It's still cold. As you can see, it's contained within this plastic water bottle and a coaster because I don't want my desk to get moist from the water. This water bottle is very moist. Now, without further ado, I'm going to drink this water. I'm going to tell you how it tastes. Here. It tastes, mostly water. You can taste a little bit of sadness in it. Also, there's a slight hint of, I really need to wash this water bottle before I contract Ebola. So that's nice. Anyways, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please, do all the things, like and subscribe. That will make me happy. And I will see you the next time I feel like uploading. Bye.